What's up, everybody? I am here with Heat Press and YouTube legend Josh Ellsworth from Stalls. Josh, how you doing, man?
I'm doing great today. Thanks for joining me and hanging out with us for a minute.
Oh, dude, thanks for letting us come by the booth. Now, I'm here, and I was just telling Josh, like, I am like just fully, from the top of my Heat Press nerd head, all right, I am fully impressed. They have some new stuff that they're debuting this year, which is interesting because you guys are just coming off the heels of the 360 launch, right?
That's right. Yeah, the 360 has been successful. It's been out in market now for a couple years, and some people are still seeing it for the first time and wowed every time they see it.
Yeah, so coming off of that, being like, obviously that, like, probably one of the biggest drops in heat pressing, and then not being enough, you guys are taking it further. Why don't you, if you don't mind, can you show us like some of the new stuff that you guys are bringing out this year?
Yeah, absolutely. I'd love to. So some of the things we have going on that we're excited about is really different ways to decorate a garment consolidated underneath the heat press. And so you start to think what that means, the ability to embroider with the heat press, or our latest, the ability to do chenille looks with the heat press, right? The fact that you can add this dimension and texture and have a professional quality result with just a small footprint and a heat press in your business, we're really trying to power leaner business models. So we have the chenille on the glitter there, so whether it's for spirit wear or fashion or sport or corporate, there's all types of different textures and looks that you can create, including professional applique twill. Again, it looks like it's stitched. If we look up close, we see real stitching. All you need is a heat press to finish it, right? And that's not it. We're innovating across the heat press technology. The 360 IQ, certainly a game changer. The Dual Air Fusion has been out in the market for a while. It's a game changer. Now we've just released the industry's first projection system. So it's called the ProPlace IQ. All you really need to do is move the heat press to the side. Projection is built into the machine, and then we're just going to go ahead and place our logo to the light. So it makes it fast and easy to get your logo on, to get it on straight, even on left chest locations. And this works with any transfer type, whether it's a patch, whether it's a transfer with a clear backing like the direct-to-film transfers that are super popular right now. ProPlace IQ is going to change the game for how fast and efficient you can be at heat pressing.